specific data. SQL statement. The select statement retrieves information from the database. The syntax from for select statement is followed as: in its simplest form, a select statement must include the following: a select clause which specifies the column to be displayed, a from clause which specifies the table containing the column listed in the select clause. Convention. Throughout this course, the following will be used: a keyword refer to an individual SQL command. For example, select and from are keywords. A clause is a part of SQL statement. For example, select last name is a clause. A statement is a combination of two or more clauses. For example, select last name from implies is a statement. Capabilities of select statement: projection used to choose column in a table, selection used to choose rows in a column. Projection and selection. Selecting all columns, you can display all of the column of data in a table by using an asterisk symbol instead of a column name in the select clause. In the example shown, all of the columns in the countries table are selected. Selecting all columns, you can also display all the columns in a table by listing them individually. Projecting specific column. If you want to project only specific column for a table to be displayed, simply list each of the column name you want and separate each name with a comma in the select clause. Using arithmetic operator. Using a few simple rules and guidelines, you can contrast SQL statements that they are both easy to read and easy to edit. Knowing the rule will make learning SQL easy. You may need to modify the way in which data is displayed, perform calculations, or look at what if sensors. For example, if every employee was given a 5% raise, how would that affect our yearly profit figures? Using arithmetic operation, this type of calculation are all possible using arithmetic expressions. You are already familiar with arithmetic expressions in mathematics: add, subtract, multiply and divide. Note that this is simple. Note that this example does not create new column in the table or change the actual data values. The result of calculation will appear only in the output. Using arithmetic operation, the example shown uses the addition operator to calculate a salary increase of 300 for all employees and display a new salary plus 300 column in the output. Putting in blank spaces before and after an arithmetic operator will not affect the output. Precedence. In arithmetic operators, precedence is the order in which Oracle evaluates different operators in the same expression. When evaluating an expression containing multiple operators, Oracle evaluates operators with higher precedence before evaluating those with lower precedence. Oracle evaluates operate with equal precedence from left to right within an expression.